Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox my first huge gift with a purchase from Lookfantastic. It's called Luxury Beauty Bundle. It's worth over £216 and is free when you spend £125 on Lookfantastic website. It comes in this nice black box. It's not very heavy and that scares me. I hope to find interesting products inside, not only minis or travel size products. Okay guys, let's open the box and find the beauty treats together. First we find a hair care product. It's from the brand We Are Paradox. It's called Repair 3-in-1 Conditioner, Hair Mask and Finishing Cream. It's a hair care product that can be used in 3 different ways. As a conditioner, after shampooing apply it on the wet hair and rinse. As a hair mask, apply it on damp or dry hair and leave it overnight. Or as a finishing cream, apply it to styled hair. The next product that we get is from Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion. Nourishes normal to dry skin. Clinically proven to moisturize for 24 hours. Helps reinforce the skin's natural barrier. Is unscented and is suitable for sensitive skin. Aveeno is a good brand, happy with this product. Here we have an amazing beauty sponge from Real Technique, the Miracle Complexion Sponge, #1 makeup sponge. I had this sponge in the past and I love it, happy to have it again. This beauty sponge may be used damp or dry. It has microfine pores, is latex free, is 100% vegan and is cruelty free. Next we find a face cleanser from the brand Elemis, Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. This luxurious gel cleanser helps reduce surface oils and impurities, energizing the skin for optimum performance and a youthful glow. Here we have a hair removal and dermaplaning tool from the brand Hollywood Browser. Inside we have one browser and one protective pouch. Quick and easy and pain-free, hair removal and exfoliation. Perfect for eyebrows, upper lip, chin, well, you can use it everywhere. Next we find a face mask from the brand Beauty Pro, Rose Infused Sheet Mask with rose, chamomile and seaweed. Calming and hydrating, helps to revitalize and moisturize. Beauty Pro face masks aren't my favorite face masks. I tried a couple of them, including this one, and was okay, but nothing special. Product number 7 is from Ameliorate Smoothing Body Exfoliant with Alpha Hydroxy Therapy. Specialist skincare for bumpy skin, very dry skin, rough skin and ingrown hairs. I have this product because I have bumpy skin on my arms. I use it for more than 3 weeks and in my case, unfortunately, no improvements. Product number 8 is from the brand Aveda Thickening Tonic. It's a styling spray to use on towel dried hair, comb through and style as desired. Next we find a product from Neom Organics London, Perfect Night Sleep Overnight Facial Cream. Hydrates and plumps for well-rested skin. Is a night face cream which contains ceramides and hyaluronic acid. Is paraben-free and sulfate-free. Product number 10 is another night face cream. Is from the brand Comfort Zone, Re-Night Cream, Nourishing Vitamin Cream. Is a night face cream with goji berry, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid and macadamia oil for an intensive nighttime antioxidant action. The skin appears regenerated and nourished. 11th product is a satin sleeping mask from the brand Glove. Sleep like a queen and wake up as a goddess. Glove Satin Sleeping Mask improves the quality of sleep, facilitating deep relaxation and healthy nap. Product number 12 is from the brand Sukin Super Greens Detoxifying Facial Scrub for normal to dry skin types. Brighten the complexion and improve the texture of skin with Super Greens extract, jojoba beads and bamboo. Next product from the box is a makeup product. Is an eyeliner from the brand Mina 575, the color pen eyeliner in a beautiful brown shade. I am not very happy with eyeliners that have marker tip applicator. I find them hard to use. Product number 14 is a face cream from the brand Madara Organic Skincare SOS Hydra Recharge Cream. It is an intense moisture locking cream infused with age-defying antioxidants and hyaluronic acid, hydrates, replenishes, and calms dehydrated and stressed skin. Next we find a tiny product from Illamasqua Beyond Liquid Highlighter OMG. Well, for a highlighter this size is acceptable, but I still find it tiny. Product number 16 is from a brand that I like a lot. It's from Herborian Skin Hero Bare Skin Perfector 7 Days Transformation. As much as I like the brand Herborian, about this product I cannot say good things. The point is that I don't understand what this product does to the skin. It doesn't have any coverage. In my case, the only thing that I noticed is that my skin was soft on touch. Unfortunately, I don't like this product. Next product from the Luxury Beauty Bundle is from the brand Balance Me BHA Exfoliating Concentrate. Our salicylic acid rich concentrate is a leave-on chemical exfoliant created to help gently remove dead skin cells, reduce blemishes, target enlarged pores, and improve hydration to reveal a softer, brighter, and more youthful looking skin. Product number 18, I lost the count. I hope I'm right. Is so tiny and small. Is from Biossance Squalane Plus Vitamin C Rose Oil Facial Oil to visibly brighten and firm. I had this face oil in the past and I like it a lot. It's nourishing, it's gentle with the skin, a very good product. I like that even this is a mini size product, they kept it in the same as the full size product. I told about packaging, beautiful. Number 19 is a product from By Terry. They were Popular Baume de Rose Lip Balm, and this is a product that I tried in the past and that I liked. It's a beautiful, shiny, nourishing lip balm that looks beautiful on the lips. If you don't like fragranced lip products, then you need to stay away from it because it has a lovely rose scent. To be honest, I don't like fragrance in skincare and makeup products, but with this lip balm, I don't know why, but I don't mind the rose scent that it has. Let's move forward, and the next product that we find is from a brand that I like, Emma Hardy Moisture Boost Vitamin C Cream. It's a face cream that helps reducing appearance of dark pigmentation and high color, helps reducing visible signs of aging, and helps improving skin texture. And the last product from the box, product number 21, is from Lumene, I hope I spell it right. Is a face moisturizer, Nordic Sea Glow Reveal Moisturizer. Okay, beautiful people, I missed the product. Now when editing I realized that I didn't show you and talked about this product from Wella. Fusion Intense Repair Mask is a hair mask that needs to be applied on damp hair, leave on for 5 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. Even better, we don't have 21 products, we have 22 products found in the Luxury Beauty Bundle box from Look Fantastic. I am curious to know your opinion about this beauty bundle. If you like it, which is your favorite product? I don't know, everything you can say about this box. I will be very happy to read your comments. And this was today's video. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!